So this video is about gluten sensitivity, or celiac disease they call it. And what's the cause? The cause is interstitial lymphatic congestion. Okay, the lymphatic system is not moving properly, and to make matters worse, the gluten you're consuming acts like a glue. The starches and gluten acts like a glue on the intestinal walls, on the bowel walls. Okay, this means that the body cannot absorb nutrients properly, and since the lymphatic system is not moving properly or is stagnant, you become allergic to gluten. If you get the lymph moving, if you get the kidneys filtering, if you clean the GI tract, use a GI broom or GI cleaner, okay, herbs for the bowels, do some enemas, go herbs and fruits, stop eating protein because the protein is destroying the villi in the small intestines, okay? You want to go 100% fruits, you want to eat living vibrant foods, and you'll get rid of this so-called allergy. It's very simple. So long as the kidneys are filtering, so long as the lymph is moving, you're going to get relief. 100% fruits, use herbs for the bowels, use herbs for the kidneys and adrenals, okay? And give it a little bit of time, you see you get relief.